Control number 43096, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Pamela G. Silvestre. I am 28 years old, single. I have two lucky sons, ages 8 years old and 2 years old. I am the second child, and I have one brother and one sister.
What is your educational attainment?
I am graduating at Computer Science and 2 years course in Gateway Institute of Science and Technology.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
For me and for my future family.
Have you been to any country before as an FW?
No, but I experience here in Philippines in 4 years.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
No, ma'am.
Do you have experience in taking care of newborn babies and children?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you do for newborn babies and children?
I give a bathing, preparing a food, giving a vitamins, changing clothes and diaper.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
I can do sewing, baking, and cooking.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
I do cook like adobo, sinigang, and menudo.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
I am a kind, responsible, hardworking, and I love kids like my own child.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
I will do apologize and saying sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
We have a good relationship and they treat me like a family.
Message for future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear Mom and Sir, if ever you would choose me as your domestic helper, I'll do my responsible. I promise to finish my 2 years contract with you and more as long as you need me. Thank you so much, Ma'am.